Hi guys, this is Arafat from BeastTech AI, and today I will teach you how you can place ads on Telegram. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can place an ad, what will be your budget, what will be your cost per click, and what type of channels you can promote. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to Telegram ads. Okay, so to place ads on Telegram, you have to go to this website ads.telegram.org, and you have to click here. You can see login to start advertising. So you can simply click on this and you can enter your mobile number. Once you click next, after entering your mobile number, you will get a prompt on your Telegram account. Okay, you have to open your Telegram account and confirm it to log into your Telegram ads. Okay, I have already logged in, so I will click this tab, and as you can see here, this is the dashboard of Telegram ads. First of all, once you create a Telegram ads account, you will have to add funds. Okay, to add funds, there's a website called Fragment. You can simply click here, add funds on Fragment, and it will take you to that website, and you can connect your Ton wallet from here and add funds. Okay, so let me show you how you can place an ad. So to place an ad, you can come here on the dashboard, and you can click on create a new ad. Okay, after you click on create a new ad, you will see this type of interface. Okay, now first of all, you have to select the target. Okay, you have to place search ads on the bots, or ads on the channels. Okay, so let me show you the first one. It is search. Okay, once you click on the search, you have to enter a title. Let's copy the link from my channel and let me show you. I have already placed a search ad, so let me show you from here. This is the ad for the channel Earn Money Online. Okay, this is a search ad. I have already placed it, but this ad is in review. So this is a search ad. You have to enter the title, the URL you want to promote, and cost per milli in ton. Okay, this is ton. 1 ton is $3.6 as of today, which is 2nd of August 2025. So this is the minimum you can select for the cost per milli is 0.1. Okay, and you have to select the budget in ton. You can select 1 ton or 10 ton, 20 ton, whatever you want to. We can start with 1 ton, and this is the daily views limit per user. If the same user searches your queries, okay, so the Telegram, it will show the ad only once to your on your query. If you want to show it multiple times, you can select 2, 3, or 4, but I will keep it 1. Okay, and this is the ad status. Once the ad is approved, you want to make it active, or you want to keep it on hold, and then once you make it active, you want the ad to be active. I will keep it on active. Okay, then let's come to the other side. So this is how the preview of the ad will look whenever this is your Telegram app screen. Okay, whenever a user searches for earn, these are the, let me show you first the target search query. These are the target search queries I have mentioned for this ad. As you can see here, there are 10 queries. Whenever a user enters any of these 10 queries over here in Telegram, okay, suppose he mentions earn, or he mentions this query, money, my channel link or my channel, it will show at the first place like this, and it will show an ad batch. Okay, it will show at the top, and then below that other channels will show up. So like this, the user is more likely to click on the first one. This is how your ad will look like. Okay, and after you have mentioned all these, you have to mention these target search queries. Okay, these I have selected these keywords depending on my channel content. Okay, so once you do all these, fill all the details, you have to click on place ad or save changes. Okay, then your ad will look like this. The ad is under review. Okay, it's not yet active. You can see here there are other ads which are active. You can see this ad have a 36,600 views and 1,600 people 1,600 plus users join my channel through this ad. Okay, there are other ads also. Now you can see here the one of the ad is declined. Okay, for some reasons your ad may also get declined, or it may be in a review for a long time, like 10 or 20 days. So don't worry about that. You just have to make the ad again, or sometimes if it is declined, I will show you the reason. You can see the reason here. Destination quality. The quality of my videos I uploaded on this channel was not very good. Some videos maybe were blur also, so that's why Telegram declined this ad. Okay, and also if you want to add a budget to the ad, you can simply click here and you can see increase budget for this ad. You can mention, suppose I want to add 1 ton to this, to the budget of this ad. I can write 1 and click on add, but right now I don't want to add. Okay, let's add. See, it's changed from 0.34 ton to 1.34. So this is how you place a Telegram ad. If you have any questions related to this, you can put a comment below to reply to your comment. And if you want any specific video on specific topic, also you can mention in the comments. I will help you for that also. So thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do click on the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye.